ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ। You are very bad. You are very bad. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖୁଛି। I am learning English. I am learning English. ତୁମର ବାଇକ୍ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅଛି? Where is your bike? Where is your bike? ସେ ମୋତେ କିଛି ପଚାରିଲେ। He asked me something. He asked me something. ମୁଁ ମୋ ଭାଇ ସହିତ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ। I like playing with my brother. I like playing with my brother. ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ କଲମ ଦରକାର। I need a pen. I need a pen. ତୁମ ପାଖରେ କଲମ ଅଛି କି? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲୋକ। You are very nice people. You are very nice people. ଆମ୍ଭେମାନେ ଏହା ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ। We know it. We know it. ତୁମର ଜବ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ମୋତେ କୁହ। Tell me about your job. Tell me about your job. ମୁଁ ତମ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. ମୋତେ ଭାବିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me think. Let me think. ମୁଁ ପାଇଲି ନାହିଁ। I didn't get. I didn't get. ମନ ଦେଇ ଶୁଣ। Keep listening. Keep listening. ଆପଣ କେବେ ଜାଣିଲେ? When did you know? When did you know? ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କେତେବେଳେ କହିଲି? When I did say you. When I did say you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖିପାରିବି? Can I see you? Can I see you? ସେ ଏକ କୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। He is going somewhere. He is going somewhere. ମୋତେ ରଗାଉନି। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. ମୁଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। I am okay. I am okay. ମୁଁ ମୋ ଘରେ ଅଛି। I am in my house. I am in my house. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଠିଆ ହେଲ? Where are you staying? Why are you staying? ଆପଣ ସେଠାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you there? Are you there? ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଅ। Go outside. Go outside. ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଅ। Go inside. Go inside. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? ଆପଣ କଫି ପିଅନ୍ତି କି? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? ସକାଳୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଉଠ। Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. ଏହାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଅ। Just forget it. Just forget it. ମୋ ସହିତ କଥା ହୁଅ। Talk to me. Talk to me. ଦୂରତା ରଖ। Keep distance. Keep distance. ମୁଁ ଜଳଖିଆ ଖାଉଛି। I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. ମୁଁ ଏହା ପାଇଲି। I got this. I got this. ତୁମେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଇଗଲ? Are you ready? Are you ready? ହଁ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଇଗଲି। Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What happened? What happened? କିଛି ହେଇନାହିଁ। Nothing happened. Nothing happened. ମୋତେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Wait for me. Wait for me. କାହାକୁ ପଠାଅ। Send someone. Send someone. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't speak anything. Don't speak anything.